Today I've flown up to Johannesburg to check out the way that they make envelopes at the Mirpac Envelope Factory. This is a fascinating process with millions of envelopes being made every day. There are two types of paper used to make envelopes. Round reels of paper, which are used to make envelopes that are up to 515 millimeters wide, and square sheets, which can make larger or specialty envelopes. Specialty envelopes include those with special shapes and sizes. To make these, specially designed punching knives are used. The sharp edge of the punching knife is able to cut through a stack of paper powered by huge pressure in a hydraulic press. The shaped paper pieces are taken to the factory machines, where they are folded, glued, and formed into an envelope in one continuous operation. They come out on the other side of the machine as a fully formed envelope. All of the paper offcuts pass through this large machine and are baled and sent off to the recyclers to be recycled and reused at a later stage. The factory has a number of different sections and a number of different machines. Here, paper reels feed the paper into the machine. The reels used on these machines can handle paper from 185 millimeters to 515 millimeters in width, and the machines can handle paper from 70 grams all the way up to 180 grams in weight. On these machines, paper goes through the print section first. Up to 4 color printing can be done on these machines. The printing on the paper can display anything that the customer requires. Printing can be done before the paper comes into the factory, or it can be done as the paper passes through the envelope forming machines on the production lines. The next section houses the cutting station of the machine. If a window is required in the envelope, the shape is cut into the paper here, and window patches are applied. The next section applies glue to the edges of the envelope. Nozzles spray the glue onto the paper, and the edges are folded and pressed together. The envelope passes through a series of infrared heaters and hot air blowers to dry the glue. The finished envelopes come out at the other end of the machine as the finished product. This machine is producing 655 envelopes every minute, and I was told that this was a little slow and that the machine could go a little faster. The envelope has been around for centuries and is one of the items that we use often and just take for granted. It has a fantastic production process, and even in today's speedy digital world is widely used in our daily activities.